Right, party crew. Sam the double C, the MC Reba,
Yes.
DJ MOT inside.
Hold tight, party crew, let's go.
Hold tight, keys, I think inside the studio, man. Hold tight.
Hold tight, the KW every time, man.
Hold tight, Reba Trey. Come on in. Kick, come on in.
Hold tight, the tonic, hold tight, the Gavin Brooks, man. Orientate, man. Double C. Yeah, man, and listen, are you ready?
Your double C's writing, yes, I'm back in the mic, so flying. Words are rhyming, perfect timing, call the top, and now, yes, I'm climbing. Climb to the top, gonna make a rock till you go pop, gonna make a jaw drop, and never gonna stop, I'm going fast like a cannabis crop. Yeah, I'm going in the flower, rocking every second, in the hour, standing tall in the alpha tower, spitting out fast, I'm giving you a shower. I'm spraying the beat in the fast, I know the morning, why, hey, I'm here to stay, I'm here to stay, I'm in it to win it, I hope I pray.
Oh, but you are CKY, listen, me, first back, I'm on the mission. Hey, my double S, I, yo, bam, with the bass, and then we go again. Now picking up, bait and light, wait for me, man, hold tight. Hey, now listen, double C, man, wicked on the mic.
Coming to the scene, now deep like the pipe, I be the leader, the right, my people, getting neat, I started flow, is getting sweeter, I'm a cheater. Doing myself in the raven creature, I don't think you're around the teacher, go from right to the raven fever. Do you think it would, come on? Do you think I would put on the stage is where I stand? This is where I should be stood. Do you think it would, come on? Do you think I could put on the stage is where I stand? This is where I should be stood.
Yes, man. Hold tight, the PZ. BOD.
Yeah, you ready? Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Party crew inside, now listen, time to get you all busy. Hold tight, the double C, man.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, all of you are CKY, listen, repeat that, man, come on, mission. Hey, my double S, I, yo, bam, with the bass, and now we go again. Now picking it back up for more, right now, listen, coming on. My DJ, man, rocking, yo, I'm up to now, yes, come on.
MC position, now because I'm in my session, hook, focus, how he's dancing to time. Now you're about to see what trick is, so what's it? What sense we're standing, we're joking, stop signing, go, get magician, Chris is living show.
Trust of MC, repass, leading, when it's ain't. But you now listen, sit back, chill out, let me get my news insane. Yeah, now doing it, Ricky, I buy this, I didn't want the mic clap. Right doing this shit, now double C is the bye.
D, yo, UBLEC, stabbing the bubble, double fucking C. Yo, D, yo, UBLEC, sound on your bad boy, it's double fucking C.
When I was a little boy, me got it saying me. What do you want a line of call for an ecstasy? But as we get older, you better know the views this. If you go right down to the monkey, why do you like this music? If you like the music, listen if you think it's wicked. Bricks is got them drugs to get your body kicking. Back of the gold, man, lost the blood. Yes, I'm taking it to the top. Double C, listen, waiting for the bass drop.
Yeah, moving on, gotta stay tough, gotta keep strong. Even though I might have done that wrong, fuck that wrong, I'm coming along. Gotta get there fast, few months past that, fuck the past. I'm gonna be catch that fast and see for last. Yeah, I'm doing it properly, sick of playing games just like Monopoly. Walk down like shouts, always constantly right this round, get all the biography. This is my life, gonna go fish and catch my wife. It's gonna be bright, 5 foot 10, that's a perfect height.
Yes, double C, man. Hold tight, the keys are dig inside the studio.
Respect to the MC Whitey, man, hold tight. Hold tight, Musy, hold tight, Aaron Bailey, Marty Smith.
Hold tight, MC Napa. Yes, sir.
Hold tight, 30 Roscoe Unit. Downforce crew, man, hold tight.
Hold tight. Yo, let's go. We're picking all this techno. Yo, let's go. We're picking all this bass roll. Yo, let's go. We're picking all this bass roll. MC Reba, double C, man, kick it out, bigger than the microphone.
Hold tight, keys ID. Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, you ready?
1, 2, 3.
It's my life, we're passing the benches, sometimes hot, sometimes hot peasants. Some days I feel like a peasant, houses support my mom's 10. Then big shot, I'm looking up, my mic guy that own the pump. This guy give me my little bump, what's this called, I'm from pump. Big shot, change it for the bell, I climb the top, let's have a scale lad. You little provide, he's such a bell lad, looks so good, he's little sweat lad. Top rector, he's better than an actor. When he gets on, what's gonna be, is he gonna be a debt collector? Who cares, gonna give it down now what he wears, gonna give it down now if he stares. Probably look nothing compares, better bigger, so it's gonna actually looks in the mirror. I'm the reflection, that right there, that's affection, that's why I give my full attention.
Oh, is he Danny? Yes, you know we're flying on and rocking. Too busy smoking, down into the astronauts, we're walking. Fall down the hall, down to the party, no breeze. Race, said, yo, Ricky, man, I'm feeling kind of pleased. Oh, waiting till he went and fucking landed on the mirror. Ready, why you don't resolve to the speakers in his room. My soul's on the beach to give you reasons, gotta be wrecked. All that double C, but against you, reap my ticket full of flex.
Now the mic's in my possession, time to teach you all a lesson. Joking, I'm missing bet, I got your full attention, I'm pressing. There's one thing I've got to mention, I've been seeing when I get my picture. Bounce around, make a cost suspension. Like I told me, tracking that double C, start back on track. Yeah, there ain't no slack, got a few rhymes, just starting to stack. I'm the brain rhymes, in that it's that. Come on now, bring me that fucking beat back, man.
Finest man, it's everyday life, your vlog, yes, I didn't cut your night. You've always got to watch your back. You don't want to get here, but about 10 million fools to the goal to this. You go for you're at a risk. Being tough, but you're the crew, so defend yourself or be on the news.
DJ LOT, DJ Ali, DJ LOT, your DJ. Your LOT now coming your way.
I'm OT, my double C with the MC fucking Reaper. I'm OT with the double C with the MC fucking Reaper. I'm OT with the MC Reaper with the double C. 1, 2, 3, now listen, party queue, now time to get you up busy.
Mix it. We mix it. that sound inside, side to side. Bring back your bassline now. Bring back your bassline now, 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 now. Bounce to the beginning sound, come on.
All tight, the KWE. All tight, little Johnny Dixon, man. Yeah, 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 let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wind up, beat, yo.
Let's go, man, wind it up, right now, take it to the top of the bass and land it, pick up the rock, vibe with the bass like what? Yeah, you see this? Bricks the man, and Liverpool genius, go straight back, right, we're gonna see y'all, right, yeah, mischievous.
Better than the sound, let's go. Pick up the beat, pick up the mic, pick up the vibe, and the tech, you know. So, one take it in my lesson, thinking myself and stop progressing. Progress out to success, then find your biggest in process. One take it to be the best, and I best MC in the contest. I don't beat up, that's not true. Yeah, for laughing, that's all I do. But I'm gonna go beat, now keep spitting them since that's sweet. Catch your gear, got to the beat, bounce by the back, come meet me. Deep in time, that's my chance to finally shine. My style and flow is all design. Read by your side and fine.
I go style, man, I go flows, what I have in the mic, that's how it goes. It's MCV with the double C inside over, yeah, man, touch your toes to the bass and I'm a king perfection. Now right now, fucking your focus, I see inside with the bass and that's only saying. Yeah,
spitting rhymes makes me happy, smiling, laughing, loving, jumping. Phone now upside down, make no feeling better now. Keep on smiling, put your face. Never too hard, it comes this case, I'm here. Slide machine, always having, always been. Always having, always been, been. You know what I mean, come on.
all tight, the double C, rockin' it.
There ain't no stopping it.
Ain't no stopping, all right, we're rockin' our key to the bass and I keep jumping inside. Man, come alive, fix the man, he's doing it right. All that, yeah, the bass to be. Kicking in the rig and I'm back, you better get inside now, listen. Outside to the MC, double C.
Like a boss and beats up, pumping beats all out your head, it's stomping dance. Our crew, yes, how they get jumping. Like boss and beats up, pumping beats all out your head, it's stomping dance. Our crew, how they get jumping.
R with the E, A with the P, E with the fucking R. We got your double C with the MC replay, yes, man, kicking into your R with the E, A with the P, E with the fucking R. Double C, man, listen, yeah, now on the mic is spectacular.
Got the mic in my right hand, got my pipe in the left hand. On the stage is where I stand, yeah, me, I'm like one more band. Taking full control, one my mission, here we go. Standing here with the microphone, make you dance, I where's my call. Yeah, it's my talking, make you rise, like a magic carpet, bring you down like a on it. Wanna be the best MC on the market, that's where I wanna be. What I wanna be is a wicked MC, Reba. Let's go crazy.
Yeah, it's not gonna be that now, fuck off, yeah, we're by the back. Now making a plan of attack, and where the speakers, where inside. Man, kicking this shit, but that's a fact. You know this, I know that. Alright, where's the mic at? Now, fair enough, get it, moving that. We're gonna get ya kicking, tripping, reverb, man, coming in the machine, am I the best I-O-N? Let's go, am I the best I-O-N? Sexy name, man, once again, you know me, and for the C, man, yeah, we're kicking it round your ends.
Yo, King, now listen, tell you one thing that's great about grin. Listen to the lyrics, that double C spitting out like the big cat, you're like the kitten. Now making changes, beating your face on daily basis. Smashing changes, making wages, tie your laces.
Double MC, yeah, now the minute, so I listen, I'm just like this, I sit back in no sports man, cause I don't play no tennis. You ready this, but I've been the water, right, listen, I've lost the plot. If you wanna go, then have a go, man, you can just go fuck off.
Writing rhymes is sometimes hard, get in the room where everyone's bored. Write them down on a piece of paper, then become that lyrical make up and a tune on. Keep on learning, keep writing till the pen is burning. Set that pen and paper on fire, it's what the realists require. It's how we're stoning, I'm shining more than a big fight soon. Shine so bright, you get it right. Just shine on a high beam light. Now it's time to shine bright out, let's become that lyrical writer. With the rest, I want you can be the best.
Once on you were dealing, listen, he was very thick. Except that the police stop providing people want it. Shut up all the customers that thought he was a joke. The only when he him and listen to get some for smoke. If he's in some money, listen, if he's in some debt. He ordered to the bad boy, and he will not forget. So he packed up his suitcase, now he's on the run. On top of the MC, we got double C in the studio, having fun.
Right. Break that sound now, hold on tight, yeah. Hold tight, Glenn, shooter. Keys are fucking D. You better be ready, you better be ready. We're winding up your energy now.
We're winding it, winding it up, yes, you love it. We're winding it, winding it right up, right now, listen, yes, you loving this.
Right. Who's ready? We're winding up your energy, G. You're double C, man.
We're winding it up, alright, now taking it to the top. We're winding it up, double C, now listen, yeah, now feel the mic kick off.
This what happens when I get in the bed, now pull my pants, I'll get some head. Hook them legs, I'll get the spread. Pound of it, full steam ahead. Train it over, rocks in the air. Grab the neck, grab the head. On the bed, don't wanna cheer up, look good, you're anywhere. Get every position, being rough as my tradition. I am like a sex magician, pin it down like a submission. That's just how it goes, and I shake it from my head toes. From my head down to my feet. Rewind, you sound sweet, man.
Yes, it's deep, when I stop, man, set to sleep, alright, listen, I'm counting sheep, alright, now doing it, my God, beat. Alright, man, never wanna be, alright, now kicking it back with me. You wanna see these, I wanna see one, man, wanna see just the IC. Not R-I-C-K-Y, yeah, we're doing this shit tonight. Right inside with the bass and I'm a double C outside. Yeah, I keep on coming on. Yes, come on. Outside the keys and D-sign.
Best thing ever happened to me, yeah, I'll be drawing out a teen. Beat it like pound half an ounce. What's so proud, could have been without an ounce. My full of joy, here he was a daddy's boy. Been walking on her talk, little big food up with a fork. Can't believe how fast he's go. He's all mine, I want my own. If Sam Barron's his birthday, since that day we've never been. Monday, Wednesday and Friday, you're a days when we will play. I want to your DJ.
Yes, outside MOT. Outside the Jordan Cutter.
Alongside MC Intro, BOD. Alongside DMG, DJ Tactic.
Check it.
Don't ask me where I've been, I'm used to the fucking raving scene. I'm yeah, yo, just cool, only doing it for a bit of fun. Not in a bit of competition, yeah, sit back and listen. Come on now to me, sound of the double C.
C. Da, double C, yeah. It's double C in Reaper, it's double C in Reaper.
We're coming through your speaker, yes sir.
The Matrix is everything. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window, or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to
R.I.P. buddy, small man.
when you go to church,
Respect, son.
when you pay your taxes. It is the world that
All
is
tight, Tyler Downs, Richard Edmond. The rest of the boys, man, hold tight.
Yeah.
Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? We're watching not go ready, G-Man.
Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready?
Okay, slippers, listen up, man. One way, it's miracles, just lift our life straight up your nose. Watch it, but an apple's is creepy, go to bed, you'll never sleep it. And you from the very start, now in bed with that being hot. Pop up, boom, now on my chest, try to sleep, but I can't let rest. Yeah, I need to invest, so we can stop this beat chest. This is a tablet I can use, stop my chest, go boom, 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 just do it. You're right there, telling myself that I'm stuck here, but really, yes, I'm scared, bitch. We'll have to stop getting off my
Yo,
chest.
session is that's what we are. Come so far in love, you know my session. Want to catch a buzz and it won't keep me to get a rush. All the ravers off their faces, taking drugs on a daily basis. Whatever now, with the place to be. Double C, with the I see.
Shoes are pumping, rise are flowing, let's get this session going. See them lyrics, I see them out. Beat as well, I'm about to come on. Come on to me, sound of the mouth, double C. Come on, I'm about to bust now, let's go, fucking nuts. Now I'm on three, come and have a line with double C. Come and have a key with keys, I D. Are you ready? Come and have a line with double C. Come and have a key with keys, I D. Are you ready? Yeah, mine, the mine. One more night.
Upside all about the button, mad dogs. Ricky, let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
I said it's time to go fucking mental.
Let's go, let's go. It's time to go mental.
Yes, man. Reaper and double C in your Jammin studio session.
It's time to fucking listen now. It's time to fucking listen now.
Outside the 20 small one. Wicked. Let's go, let's go.
Check once, check twice, I'm on the mic, see you coming on right. Your vocal sound, sounding bright, man. My vocal. Who's ready? Check once, check twice, I'm on the mic, see you coming on right, coming on fucking through. My spec going out to you. Yes, it's GT, now we know we're fucking crew. So, my spec in the beats to beat for each and every one of you. Now, so two lasses, on the mic, now shake those asses. Come on, now up and down, go with a fucking bouncy sound. Right now, your S, are you and D? Sounds on your bad boy, it's double fucking C.
Yes, man, double C, rocking your fucking session.
Rockin' it.
Outside the keys today in the studio. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know. But the party crew, give up the set, no. But the party crew, give up the set, no. But the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
You ready, posse? Better break down fucking sound. S-I-U-N-D in the place. Time to jump around right now. It's time to jump around right now. Bounce to look at the sound. Come on. Respect DJ intent. Bounce. Could you rock this fucking house? Check it out. Lord, this is a dangerous game. Get ready for the heartache and pain. I'm most attached, built in the beam. Never forget they falling in. Fuck up your mind, fuck up your head. Tell me lies, I'm easy led. That's for this now. Shut the fuck up, your little cow. I'll put my weight in, take it out for 6 feet under, swim board. Should you from the very start that you are gonna break my heart. Now I know you're lying, so God's off your little rat. Little skank, little whore. What the fucking sluts no more. Mixing it up again. All time money on that Craig on the man. Respect for double C. You better be fucking ready, come on. We're mixing it up, we're mixing it up, we're mixing it up. the top, yes I.
He's acting, he's like a wolf, he's like a man, he's like a hornby, mint on the mic and it's down to me. To be certain, this set, yeah, help him out, that's 100%. Always had in mind if his own, his talents are really shown. Next step, it is a rave. Get on the dance floor, give him a wave, and I'll wave, dance, shout and scream. I know for a fact this is his dream. Do the best, yeah, do what I can. To beat every event, oh yes, I'll be his number one fan. Now it's all down to you, but I show the mirrors what you can do. Turn the mic and I'll plug it in. See your lyrics and get it bouncing. Bouncing to the top, I'm bouncing to the top, I'm bouncing to the top. Rebounding, I'll make you rock. Right, now let me see what's happening with you, see what you're icing. Now get busy, you're fighting to your place to be. When I get down, I wanna get it deep, I'm gonna get rid of the MCV, but putting that body game, sleep, and I'm gonna be a man, I will go free. Gotta get to the fan, now, so the world, right, with a bit of a man, let's roll. Go down, but get about bass, so right now, listen, you go. Better get a break down your shine, it's hard, but get a bit about tonight. Outside, man, don't take it about your mind. Better than the beach, I never know, but it's about time, I come and I for try. Keep on the drink, keep on the core, keep on the time, so keep on the smoke. Say yes, yes, I say we are. Probably better than have grand, don't hold, take it, time. Best you man is what I am. Yeah, fresh and clean, feeling the best I've ever been. Living my life the way I should, went from the teen to adulthood. Back to being a family man, number one boyfriend, the boy's dad. This will be a true nose big, so get it right now, my train. Session is, that's up, your week comes off, I be like, you know, my session, want to catch up on to the monkey, meant to get it right. All the ravens off their faces, taking drugs on a daily basis. For the man now, with the bass of people go side. You ready? You ready? Yeah, yeah, you ready? We want to up your energy. Yeah, yeah, you ready? Yeah, yeah, you ready? Face to face or back to back, your rich MCs, cause fast track. He's at your global Z, which MCs it gonna be? Just a matter cause we're a combo combination with a different flow. Different styles of how to write. Write all day, we write all night. We write all night, we're coming to get ya. They're coming to get ya. They're coming to get ya. Lots of let's play, expecting nature free. What's that up in the court, new money, Georgie says to me. Well, listen up, Ricky Small, 6 years sentence. I laughed at that black one, cause he had no evidence. He had no evidence, he had no proof. When that black was in, if you me didn't tell the truth. Didn't tell the truth, I knew exactly what to say. Slap down in front of me, dirty fun, and a play. Yeah, man, check out your hands, rebound tight. Hold tight. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Yo, yo, let's go, yo, yo, let's go. Yes, you rebound coming through. Come on, come on, come on in. Respect the MOT. Violence, I said violence, what? Violence, violence, every day lies so violence, I didn't cut your neck. You've always got to what's back. You don't wanna get even about 70 and of the cause of this. You got both your other risk. Being touched by your abuse, offend yourself for being abused. Money to pay for in a mic. Dominated with the body bike. People's back, come and see. Studio, going mad. What about now? You never know MC, read my hell is scanner. Inside listening, after the god man, I've already told ya. Drop it, gently, drop it, can you feel my adrenaline pumping? Pump into the sound. Pick it up, you'll break it down. This is tempo time, look fucking great. Double C, but you have to read my time too. You know now that's right. Activate, drop it in the mic, take one more time in the bass beat. Take it to the focus, guys, see to the bit. Tune top, yeah, gonna make you body rock, yo. Body speed, champ in the beat, champ in the moving. All the lines, see in the day, why with the bounce, taking no DJ, but it's time to get a bit of mix, so right now, listen to this trick. I like the way you're sounding, no way you're not sounding, Ricky sounding fantastic. I like to do this on the mic and I'll kick it. In the fire, you get good, never go back, now let's learn. Never you meet, never hard, little raw, feeling right. Now I know myself, me over, please pass me that 40 move, I need to go. Control me, how relationships meant to be. Yes, I'm rhyming in the jungle for not listening, I'll go for rumble, yeah. Let there's no sleep, when I start to get that creep. Keep on getting that creep, and the big's on over, yeah, it's sweet for soil. Nice one, in the pit, I just took it, yeah, that one. Sound out your mixer, sound of the mixer, sound of the fucking mixer, sound of the mixer, sound of the mixer, sound of the mixer. MOT now coming to get ya. Am I the next time you're wearing the bass and line and strip? We got your sign, it's time, now listen, MOT go realistic, you're not listening, yeah, he likes it, yeah, now listen, he won't write it, he sit on the decks and go fucking mix it. No, the concept, all the touching off his pivot, take you, yeah, she's mine, looking again, I'm back to mine. You cheeky try to conjure you, I can't even, now smash them up, beat your, chop your head off with the saw. Once again, break that side inside. Once again, respect the MC Whitey, Craig Hunter, Matty Hunter, man, respect. You know the fucking skull, yo. We're picking it right up. Do-do-do. Ready, posse. Old school fucking lyrics, old school fucking sounds. Drop around, come on. Now drop, 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 drop. I said we're taking it to the top, pick it up, man.
Whenever the work it up and I can't take off, whenever the bubble sound, when the bubble sound, when the bubble posse, check one to move your body, your brain, time to go insane, insane. You know it.
I said, yeah, listen, take my advice, you won't get on the mic and don't think twice, but it's me, shooting right, stand to the beat, she lost the blood, now look at my sound of the mic, what's out, where doing that shit, man, every rhyme, people's like, what's up, I didn't fuck moves, big, but I showed them one time, yo, bad of the beat, six over here, man, off your fist, kid, over here, now listen, Rick, this big on the mic and rock it, now what about me, what about you, like what, all tied over, see, but again, she reap, but yeah, we've lost the shot,
I'm rising like a sky rocket, put the mic into the socket, turn it on, spit so far, superstar, silly remorse, you know it's silent, tight dance, short tight stand, can you dance to the soul comedy, if not, we'll find a strategy, y'all be open, I'll spin it around like a beaver spin out, bet you I can spin the best, battle the rest in the contest, so fun to the east, show to the west, from the radio to the left, from the left, to the right, spin so fast, you get it right. Heads up in it, yeah, get 'em on.
now check it out, signing, somebody almost energy, we got your RIC, can buy it, somebody double C, now what about now, inside, all right, but you almost energy, we got this, we clap, and you're double C.
Double C, that's double C, that's double C. 1, 2, 3. Your MC Reba, we're coming through your speaker, yes sir.
Oh, time to keep it small, man. Listen, got the best roster of MC Reapers, you do entertain. With a caustic unique, always spitting shit that melts your brain. Like an acid trip, double drug, always start to feel the beat in your body. Either will just makes you happy, so I went through, let's go party swap. Wait a second, yes, it's Reaper on a session. Let's see, double S, you win. Go fuck, up with mission.
Yeah, I'm here, your MC musician, now because I've in my session. Hook sports now, he's dancing to sound. Now you're about to see one more trick, it's up my sleeve. For the test, it's time to leave. We're joking, some tiny go, your magician, Chris is never show. Yo, let's go, mental. Yo, let's go, go. 1, 2, 3,
I say I listen if I'm walking in, I'm talking, that's no cause you know I listen if I go for the gap, I nobody got to want it. You don't know what I am doing, me, I never call it. Alright, listen, go for the door like what is going on there. So I see keep running, say you listen, you'll prove a point. You don't catch me on the mic, try and disappoint. Inside job with the vice, open the green, over here with the mic, follow me by the back. On the one, don't see man, yeah, come on.
Like a boss and beats up, open beats all around your head, it's open, dance your crew. Tiny get jumping. Like a boss and beats up, open beats all around your head, it's open, dance your crew. Get jumping.
It's the Reaper, okay, I know where the devil of the day, alright, listen, Tim's all the way, and alright, yeah, that is the only way you see me. Back in the sort of a knife, over mic with the files, like, yeah, let me see what's happening, no double C.
Double C and MC Reba, we keep back to back. I said we never lose sight, and we always keep on track. So gotta keep on track, I said we follow fucking vibe. DJ MOT, making up your vibe inside.
Yes, man, DJ MOT. Double C and Reaper ready. Double C and Reaper ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
You see it double yes, it's double C, C. You see it double yes, it's double C, C. You see it double yes, it's double C, C. You see it double yes, it's double C, C.
Over the E, everybody, everybody, you are. MC Reaper, double C, man, take it into you. Over the E, everybody, everybody, fucking are. All time at keys and D. What's up with it? Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Right. Hold tight, keys at D, man, hold tight. Hold tight the MC style, MC Majestic. You know the fucking score, man.
Check it out now, check it out, let's go. Check it out now, check it out, let's go. Check it out now, check it out, let's go. Double C with the MC Reaper, ripping up this microphone.
Hold tight, DJ Danny Gray. Hold tight, DJ Heskey. DJ Intent. DJ AGM, you know the fucking score, man.
All time at the full fucking ribbon bunch.
Remember that guy with the black and white card? Remember that guy with the black and white card? I'm delivering rhymes like Postman Pat.
All time the postman plats. Double C, man, double C, and that is where it's at.
Remember that guy with the black and white card? I'm delivering rhymes like Postman Pat. I'm on the right path, I'm on the top black. I'm with gypsies just like a stack. I'm not big-headed, call me shit, I'm not getting offended. Yeah, I'm invented, all my rhymes to be personally invented.
Wicked.
New rhymes, new rhymes.
Double C.
Double C, double C, Reba MIC.
How many I see with the K? Why with the bouncy? Take it on DJ MC on my double C. All time the fucking keys and D. Where do we need like this? Where do we need like what? It's 2 MCs. In the studio, all lost the blood.
Living in the future, I never know, but it's about time I come alive on track. I'll keep on the drink, I'll keep on the cool, I keep on the time, so keep on the sport, retire, session.
2, 3.
We've got your MC Reaper, we've got your MC Reaper, we've got your MC Reaper coming through your speaker, yes sir!
Yes, sir. All time the party crew, you know. Double secret about us over the MC Reaper, yo. Let's go, Mike, kitty, back perfection. Oi, on the party starter, yes, you know, but the party's on the Reaper, man. Slap your father around to want to be somebody in love. What about this, man? What about what? What about me like this? All time double C, man. Time to show you all a trick.
Time to show you all a trick!
Are you ready, go ballistic? Are you ready, go ballistic? 5 and 4, man, 3, 2, 1. Yes, now kick off, man, no catch it.
Your focus is writing, yes I'm back in the massive flying. We're all rhyming, perfect timing, cool top, and now yes I'm climbing. Climbing the top, gonna make it rock till the go ball, gonna make it George Robin, and I'm gonna stop by climbing the top like cannabis crop. Yeah, I'm pulling the flower, rocking every second, every minute of the hour, standing tall like the Eiffel Tower, spin that faster, give you a shower. I'm spraying the beer in the fast, I know the water, right here, I'm here to say, I'm here to stay. In a minute, I hope I pray.
Back to the sash, kick on the door. People's like, man, for the law. It's MC Reaper, eating a soda, blue lights over, yeah, I'm one. Man, I'm one. You can't even catch it, listen, yeah, I've got to know the skills that you never match, kid.
The scene, I team like the pipe, I'll be the leader, the right man, keep us getting leader, silent flow is getting sweeter, I'm no cheater. Doing myself in the raving, preach, I call the kitchen, I'm the teacher, rolling, breaking the raving fever. You think I would? Think I could? On the stage is where I stand, this is where I should be stood. You think I would? Come on. You think I could? But on the stage is where I stand, this is where I should be stood.
What I don't see, you know, what I KCD, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Leave the man in the mic, right now, doing it fucking right. No time, I listen, yeah, not getting these boys up on the high. We're getting all hyper back inside, I listen, yeah, not two time, I thought not listen, back inside, I listen, rewind up my rhyme,
Work it up and I work it down, I back for now in your town, in your town, now in your brain. Time, go and say it. Go and see what time. We got the party beat. Your MC Reaper, go and see we're selling fucking sweet, yeah.
Somebody get energy, let's go now, pick on the beat, pick on the tempo, you know me, yes, so I don't go so fast, alright, man, I know, everybody knows it's me, it's alright, fucking see. Came with the white inside, listen, it's Reaper, man, in the place to be.
It's Reaper in the place to be, Reaper in the place to be. 1, 2, 3, Reaper in the double C, Reaper in the double C, Reaper in the double C. 1, 2, 3, get busy.
Reaper, man, now here we go, follow the Reaper in control, blowing up the speakers, man, cause he's in the mix, man, yes, you know. We're gonna kick, now kick to the beat, so kick to the beat, now kick to the top, though. Double C, let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's all wind that beat, yo.
Let's go. Double C, gonna rock that mic, whoa.
But that's me where I've been, I'm used to the fucking raving scene, I'm yeah, yo. Just go on, we're doing it for a bit of fun, not in a bit of competition, yeah. Sit back here and listen. Come on, to me, Sadie or double C. Sadie or double C, Sadie or double C. 1, 2, 3. Ta double C, dig it out, double C. I'm 1, 2, 3, clear, get busy.
Follow the Reaper, 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 follow the Reaper. I said follow the Reaper, 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 follow the Reaper. Follow the Reaper, 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 follow the Reaper. Into the darkness, into the night time, listen, into the fucking danger. Into the danger, I'm a stranger, and listen, man, I will go take it back, alright, man, where's your soul? Devil, man, so you know, when I start to shit like, whoa, fuck your shit on the go. Think it, man, I work for my shit, and that is hard, bro.
That's what happens when I get in the bed. Now pull my pants, I'll get some head. Wouldn't have legs, so get the spread. Can't have in full steam ahead. Turn her over, rocks in the air. Grab her neck and grab her hair. On a bench or on a chair. Fucking could you anywhere? Every position being rough is my tradition. I am like a sex magician. Get down like a submission. That's just how it goes. And I shake it from my head to toe. From my head to 2 feet. She's like Chris's tree.